this video, we will define the OnChanges interface in our Angular application and get to know how we can use and what is the benefit of this interface. Let me just create the new component called test. We have to implement OnChanges interface. Let us try to open in browser. Here in test.component, we will receive the data that is currently changed on ngOnInit. Let me just refresh the page. So here the changes are, the current value is undefined and this is the first time change, and the previous value is also undefined. So once I am sending some data, then here it is getting the current value and it is also telling us the previous value, and this is not the first time change, so it is false. Let me just give some another name. So now the previous value was test data and the current value is data2 test. So this is how we can implement and whatever value that is coming from the input will get through this method. And according to the Angular document, OnChanges is used to respond when Angular sets or resets data bound input properties, and the method receives a simple change object of the current and the previous property value, and it is called before ngOnInit and whatever one or more data bound input property changes. So in simple term, this is a lifecycle hook that will allow us to monitor the value of the input to our components and directives, and allow us to branch out logic to react differently when those values are getting changed. And in this video, we have gone through how we can implement the OnChanges interface, and we have gone through the method ngOnChanges, and alternatively we can also go through the setter properties in order to achieve this kind of things. So this method is hooked in our component and directive and worked on the same way to get the changes. Thank you so much.